So the second semi-finals between Italy and England over here. Whoever wins this will face France in the finals. And you may begin. Wait, go a bit back. Okay, it started. It's Leon. Gives a lovely pass to Murtaza through the defense. It's Murtaza. He shoots and it's horribly missed. You see. So it's Leon. Aliyan takes it, but it's into the hands of Shahir. It's now Zoya. It's now Aliyan. Brilliant skill by Aliyan. Oh, still Aliyan, but can't get the goal. It's now, oh, it's Umar Ali. And he somehow missed it. Zoya, oh, so close. Italy, it's Aliyan. And Asif with a brilliant tackle. Asif gives it to Umar Ali. It's Umar Ali to open the scoring in the semi-finals. Oh, Mayank clears it away. Umar Ali somehow misses the biggest opportunity for England. Blocked by Murtaza. It's Ikam. Oh, what a pass by Ikam to Shahid. And it's Aliyan. Oh, it's saved. And Italy still can't find the goal in the semi-finals. It's Aliyan who crosses it in. Murtaza, and he scores the opener. And it is Italy on their way to the finals. Horrible start. It's Shahid. Gives it to Asif. What a pass. Asif gives it to Umar Ali. Umar Ali. Corner. Bye. It's Aliyan. Aliyan gives it in and it's Shahid. It's Shahid. Shoots. Oh, Mayank. Umar Ali goal. And it's equalized for England. And it's Umar Ali who equalizes it. 1-2 England. It's Aliyan. Brilliant dribbling from Aliyan. Gives it to Murtaza. Oh. Okay, Murtaza is smiling. Shahid shoots. Asif. Oh, it's another goal. Yeah, and it's England who have taken the lead into the semi-finals. It's 2-1 now. England lead. Italy are shocked once again from England's performance. It's Aliyan. Ali, Asif. Oh, it's 3-1. And England have doubled the lead in the semi-finals. Italy are being absolutely battered over here. 3 quick goals for England. It's Aliyan. Oh, brilliant dribbling and brilliant save by Shahir. He gives it in. Murtaza with a brilliant block. It's Aliyan. The goal is open. Oh, he scores and it's 3-2. Italy are back into the game. Yeah, start. 3-2 to England. Shahir shoots. Oh, so close. In a big game. It's Asif. Gives it to Murtaza. It's now Murtaza. Murtaza with his pace. This is a moment for Italy and it's saved by Shahir. Asif gives it back. It's Hadi. Oh, what a save by Shahir. It's still Hadi. Yeah, foul you did. This might be the moment where Aliyan equalizes it for Italy in the semi-finals. Okay, now do. Aliyan takes hand penalty. And it's a penalty for Italy. It's Aliyan now. Big moment for Aliyan to equalize it for Italy. Aliyan shoots and it's a brilliant penalty taken. And it's equalized by Italy. It's Aliyan. Oh, brilliant fake by Aliyan. Aliyan, oh, what a save and Murtaza for the rebound. And Asif clears it away. Oh, brilliant dribbling. Aliyan, oh, what a slide tackle by Asif. Oh, it's goal. It's goal. And it's 4-3. Aliyan gives Italy the lead. It's Aliyan. Aliyan. Brilliant pace over here from Aliyan. Oh, wonderful from Aliyan. Still Aliyan. Oh. Oh, but in the end, he just can't shoot it. Whole team. Still Aliyan. No fall, no fall, no fall. It's Aliyan. Brilliant dribbling from Aliyan. Oh, wonderful. Gets to the whole team. Gives it to Murtaza and he scores. And it's 5-3 to Italy. Italy might be on their way to the finals to face France. Brilliant from Aliyan. Gives it in to Murtaza. Oh, it's a wonderful goal and it's 6-3 now. And now Italy are leading by 3 goals now. Wow. They've only drew once. But will this be the only loss England face. And also a big one. Goal. 6-4. We are goal. 6-4 and half time now. 2-1 start. And the second half begins. Brilliant dribbling to get through the defense. So wonderful by Alian. And he takes a shot down the middle and Shahid with an easy save. Shahid takes a shot. Oh, what a save by Mayank. What a save by Mayank. So it's corner kick for Italy. And Alian takes the corner. Alian crosses it in. And it is throw in for Italy. Murtaza gives it. Alian. Oh, brilliant dribbling by Alian. But Ekam wins it in the end. But it's still Alian. Oh, what a tackle. But still Alian. And Alian and the end. 1 minute VR. VR, no goal. It went out. Brilliant from Alian. Wonderful from Alian. And it's just goal kick for England in the end. Rosén. Umar Ali shoots. Wait. VR. 1 minute. It's a handball by Rosén and it's penalty. Goal. It went in full.
Yes.
And it's 6-5 now. England are back into this. It's Alian. Brilliant dribbling from Alian. Still keeping the ball with him. It's Alian. Oh, gets through everyone. Gives it. Oh, so close. Umar Ali clears it away. It's Alian. What a pass to Murtaza and brilliant save by Shahid once again. Murtaza. Oh, what a save by Shahid. Alian for the rebound. Can he find options to play too? And wonderful save by Shahid once again. It's Umar Ali now. Hadi gives it through to Murtaza. It's Murtaza. Oh, it's open goal and he scores. And it's 7-5. Murtaza is having an absolute beast performance over here against England. Alian. Oh, still in. It's Alian. Goal. And it's 8-5. Italy might be in the finals to face France. Oh! That was an error by Asif. It might be in and it is 9-5. And Italy are absolutely on fire. Do it. Alian on his way to the finals now. Umar Ali is benched. Umar Ali, you're benched.
Where's the trophy, by the way?
I'm gonna buy it today. Umar Ali, you're benched. Shahid. He shoots some brilliant block by Rosén. It's Alian. And it is surely over now. And Alian. Guys, Murtaza said it's not coming home. And it's out. Alian gives it to Murtaza. It's Murtaza. Gets to the keeper.
Back, good.
And it's on corner. Gives it in. Asif, goal. 10-6. It's Alian. Foul. Yellow card. Murtaza. Foul. Free kick. Yellow card to Murtaza also. Yellow card to Hadi also. It's Zoya with a wonderful tackle. She shoots at Mayank. What a save. Oh, no goal. We are goal. 10-7. England find a goal. And it's a wonderful pass to Murtaza. And it is a wonderful save by Asif. It's Italy. Murtaza. Oh, what a save by Asif once again. And Italy are in the finals and they will face France on Monday.